Hello, it's Brian Resney, president of Resney Wealth Management. It's question and answer day. I'm getting repeated questions about geopolitical problems with the investment markets and around the world, and really what do we see for 2024? The first thing I want to say is this. Our clients in 2023, in our opinion, did fabulous. We basically did the right things for our clients. We were in what we believe to be the right areas, and it really showed on portfolio performance in a positive manner. One thing that we don't do is we don't listen to Wall Street, the talking heads from the banks, the insurance companies. We're an independent money manager. We buy a lot of independent research. We make our own decisions. If any of you have listened to not only my question and answer videos through 2023, but my TV and radio shows, we talked about where we were invested, what we were adding to at the beginning of 2023, and why we did not see a recession in 2023. We saw normal volatility, but we saw upside potential, which is exactly how we invested our clients' money. Keeping our clients happy is the number one priority. Making solid returns, as obviously keeps a client very, very happy. I'm glad to say I want to pat my staff on the back. A lot of hard research, a lot of hard work led to excellent returns for our overall clients in 2023. As we approach 24, I'm going to say this in my question and answer. We continue to avoid emerging markets and Europe. You should too. We continue to emphasize areas of true growth for earnings and revenues. Some of that's on the technology side, AI side, and in the healthcare side. I've talked about that repeatedly the last 3 or 4 months. We're seeing inflation abate. We're invested in areas that are truly going to be opportunistic. One of the areas we started adding an increase in exposure to is intermediate to long-dated bonds. We feel we're done with the interest rate increase cycle. We're looking for total return on bonds, potential higher returns from growth of principal when rates ultimately come down in 2024. How did your money perform in 23? Was it the same lousy returns you saw in 22? Is it the same bad client service and communication? At what point are you going to say you've had enough and you're going to look for a real money management firm to manage your money like Resney Wealth Management? We'd love to help you move your portfolio in the right direction. If you're unhappy with the way your money's being managed, whether it's self-managed or you're with one of the big firms or small firms, and you realize in stock asset allocation, set it and forget it, hasn't worked for you for the last 3, 5, or 10 years, you've had mediocre returns, call my firm for a consultation. We do manage larger portfolios of $1 million and greater. If you'd like to talk to us about managing your money, call the office. You need now to prepare your portfolio for 2024. Don't have another lousy investment year like you did in 23 and 22. It's time you put your interests first. It's time you seek out a real money management firm to professionally manage your money. At Resney Wealth Management, that's what we do every day. Have yourself a great Christmas and a Happy New Year.